I mean, it's a simple. Look, physics actually says this is doing no work. Okay, I'm holding up something against gravity. I'm not doing any work. So that's really stupid. But they think that this, okay, me slowly lifting this, is exactly the same amount of work as this. It doesn't matter how slowly I lift it. I could spend 10 years lifting this weight, and they'll say I did the same amount of work as if I did this. Obviously, that's idiotic. I have to explain how it's idiotic. I mean, it's obviously idiotic. You know it. I know it. If I told you to hold a 20-pound weight in your hand, you're going to know the longer you hold it, the more work you're going to be doing.
You are so fucking stupid. Nobody, literally nobody, is going to deny that, of course, it requires more muscle tension and calories for a human body to hold a weight for a long period of time. In this particular scenario, we are talking about two different kinds of work. We have mechanical work, work that changes the object's mechanical energy, like raising a weight higher or giving it more speed. Formula idea: force times distance in the direction of motion. And we have biological effort, muscles burning energy. Your body must burn chemical energy even when nothing moves, just to keep your arm muscles tensed. That feels like work, but it's your own metabolism, not mechanical work on the object. You dumb fuck. Holding a weight still, the object doesn't move, gravity pulls down, your arm pushes up with equal force. Distance moved equals 0, so mechanical work on the weight equals 0. Your muscles, however, are constantly contracting and relaxing microscopically, burning fuel to keep that force. That's why you get tired. So you are absolutely working in the everyday sense, your body is, but you are not adding mechanical energy to the weight. Lifting slow versus lifting fast. You lift the same 20-pound from the floor to a shelf 1 meter higher. Gravity's force is the same and the total upward distance is the same. The increase in the weight's potential energy is mgh no matter how long you took. Going slower means your muscles burn more chemical energy because they have to stay active longer. But the mechanical work on the weight, the energy you gave to the weight itself, is identical. What your stupid model predicts is that if you hold an object a certain amount of distance from the ground, that object will gain energy over time. Even when you keep that object only 1 centimeter off the ground, if you keep it there for 1 million years, it will have accumulated so much energy that when you let it fall, it will produce the same impact as a meteorite impact. That's how utterly retarded your model E equals mgt is. Bottom line, physics isn't denying you get tired, it just distinguishes between energy delivered to the object, mechanical work, depends on distance moved against the force, and energy burned inside your body, metabolic cost, depends on time. Gary is mixing those two. The idiotic part isn't the physics, it's treating muscle fatigue as if it were the object's mechanical energy.